5th of April 2024, exactly 2 months ago today, I was having open mesh hernia repair surgery. So, how am I? Well, let me answer that question in a different way. Where am I? Denmark, the north of Denmark. Not a million miles away from a fjord, which is just down there, about 38 minutes walk, which I shall be doing very, very shortly after I've made this video. Touring Northern Europe, so that's Holland, a bit of Belgium, Germany and Denmark. So I've actually been on the go for a month. So what can I do? I can walk, no problem. 25,000 steps, walk in the park. Avoiding weights greater than about 10 kilos. Jogging, just a little, because I need to lose a few pounds, because obviously I've not been doing much exercise. There's no scrunchies yet, bench presses and, you know, handstands and all that thing. So, not yet anyway. Unusual positions like getting underneath the bonnet and fixing the RV or motorhome, putting the exhaust back on. No, because I've still got to consider that I've got my back problem because I broke it last year. What else I'm doing, well, not really doing, is slowing down. I'm trying to do things a little slower, which no chance at all. The scar's doing very well, and I'm actually enjoying looking at my new belly button, which I've probably not been able to see for a year or so. So, long and the short, a bit slower, don't do anything daft, and I'm sure by another month I'll be doing my scrunchies and my press-ups and everything else that I need to do. As I say in Denmark, have a good day.